today's video, we're diving into MailerLite's recently revamped landing page builder, an amazing tool for business owners. Whether you're looking to create a lead capture page or promote a new product, MailerLite has made it easier than ever to design high converting pages in just minutes. So let's get started. So I've logged into my MailerLite account, and to get started with landing pages, you're going to go to Sites. And then from there, we have two options, landing pages or websites. You can see here, I've already created a test landing page. Let's go and create another landing page using the AI tool builder. We'll just call this is AI, making sure a landing page is selected, and click on Save and Continue. The next step is an important one, and that is to select the subscriber group that you want to add people who sign up through this landing page into. So we're going to select the landing pages group and click on Continue. Now, here's where things get really cool. MailerLite has introduced an AI-powered landing page builder tool. With just a few prompts, the AI will create a custom page for you tailored to your business goals. This is a massive time saver if you are in a rush or want a quick starting point without needing to build everything from scratch. Now we're going to choose this option right here, build your landing page with AI. Now it's going to ask you a few informal questions and then a very specific question about describe your desired landing page. This will be your prompt to AI. So we want to have your company organization name here. Then you want to select your industry. I did a search for marketing and advertising. I'll select that. And I ran this prompt already. I'm just going to copy it and paste it, and we can run it again. And so basically it says, I'm looking to create a landing page focused on selling a course on email marketing for beginners, etc., etc. Then it's going to ask you, what is the goal? I can select up to 3 landing page goals, and this will help the AI generate a landing page that aligns with your goal. So I want to launch a product. I want to sell a digital product and special offer. Okay, so those are our 3 goals. I'm going to click on Continue. The next step is to choose your style options, your writing style, and your desired design style. So I have it at professional and modern. You can change it to what fits your brand and style. And then you can use theme colors. You can have it generate with AI or use your brand styles if you have those defined in MailerLite. For now though, we'll click on Generate on the bottom right. So that took about 20 seconds or so, and it's only given me one version. I think there's supposed to be other versions here. At least that's what happened the first time I did this. I had A, B, or C I could select from. So if we're happy with this version, we can select version A, or you can click on Regenerate. And when we select version A, in this case, so you can see how quickly you can create a landing page using the MailerLite AI landing page builder. With our landing page now generated by our AI prompt, let's go over some of the other features that you have for this landing page builder in MailerLite. We'll start off with elements. So these are individual blocks that you can drag and drop onto your landing page. So we just added in a heading, we can add in a text block, that type of thing. Other options are social icons and special options. Next, we have columns. So if you want to have a single column, you can add that here. Or if you want to have 2 columns, you can add that there, that type of thing. The next feature we have are sections, and these are pre-made, basically template blocks that you can add to your landing page. So we have hero and content, and there's multiple options to choose from each, FAQs, calls to action, pricing and purchasing options here, and even add in a contact form. Let's say we go and edit a certain section. We're happy with this section right here. We can go over here and duplicate it on the right, or we can favorite it. So if we favorite this section, we give it a name and click on Save Section, continue editing. It's now been added to our favorite sections right here, and we can apply our customized section in future landing pages. Other options you have are style. So these are global styles for your landing page. They have pre-made styles that you can select. You can have the AI style, the one that came with this landing page, or you could change it to a whole bunch of different type of colors, or you can customize it individually to the buttons, to the fonts, all that good stuff. The next option you have are settings. So under settings, you can turn on or turn off page navigation. So right at the top here, this navigation, you can turn that on or off. You can include a footer, which is down the bottom here. You can turn that on or off. Notification bar is for cookies, accept the cookies option there. and then you have this reCAPTCHA. Once we're happy with our design, our layout of our landing page, we can click on Preview. Clicking on Preview will give us a desktop option and also a mobile option, and we can copy the URL. So we can click out of Preview. Once you're satisfied with everything of how your landing page is looking, we can click on Done Editing. When we click on Done Editing, it takes us to the settings for our landing page and other options such as Publish. So if we scroll down here, we have our settings. We can click on Edit Settings, and so we can change out the URL. We can customize this ending URL, upgrade our plan. If we want to change out the custom domain, we can add in a favicon, and we can add in SEO settings, social share options. If we want to change the look, if we share it out on social, and we can do analytics and metric tracking. For now though, we're just going to click on Save and Continue. Once you're satisfied with how your landing page is looking and making sure that the messaging and all that good stuff is on brand, the next thing you want to do is click on the Publish. You can either click Publish here or there. You can also enable or disable double opt-in. And obviously here is your URL that you can go out, share to social media and through your mailing list. Other options you have is to add in automation. You can see here I started on automation here, and so you can send out follow-up emails based on your landing page goals. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more marketing tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next video.